Every landscape tells a story, one shaped by the elements, time, and the vision of those who nurture it. At Aveteran Landscape, we don't just solve problems, we transform challenges into breathtaking outdoor experiences. For this homeowner, the battle was against water. Over 300 feet of retaining wall threatened by poor drainage along the peaks of the walls. Our mission? Engineer a lasting solution. Our approach? Precision. We designed a seamless concrete swale system to redirect water flow, channeling it safely into drain lines, protecting the integrity of the wall and the beauty of the space. With the foundation secured, creativity takes center stage. The steep slope along the driveway presented a challenge, but we saw an opportunity, an invitation to design an entryway that captivates. With bold plant selections, tiered landscaping, and strategic hardscaping, we turned an obstacle into a statement. And as the sun sets, our signature lighting design transforms this home into a resort-worthy escape, an outdoor masterpiece as functional as it is breathtaking. At Aveteran Landscape, we don't just design landscapes, we redefine them. Where others see problems, we see possibilities.